We're super excited to announce that we now have jewelry available in our stores. With 29 million people buying jewelry online every day, it's a product category filled with endless possibilities. Profit margins for this particular category are between 25% to 75%, which opens up tons of opportunities for revenue. Today we are introducing 2 new jewelry items, with more coming soon. Introducing our silver and gold circular luxury bangles and necklaces. All of our jewelry products are made from high-grade surgical stainless steel, which is a strong, corrosion-resistant, and low-allergy metal. Items finished in gold are plated with real 18-karat gold, using specialized plating techniques that provide a hard-wearing coating of gold that won't rub or wear away. These items are gorgeous and have a premium look, so we recommend pricing these items between $30 and $40. Jewelry is a fantastic gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and any other occasion where you want to show your love or appreciation for somebody. If you're looking for design ideas, try focusing on religious inspiration, family connections, and other expressions of adventure, joy, and love. Try reaching out to mothers and grandmothers, animal and pet lovers, wives, and husbands as your target audience. Be sure to check out our blog for more information about our new jewelry additions. Thanks for watching.